Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're an old subscriber or a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today's tutorial is about a total transformation of this face. Yes, and I'm trying out a new foundation from Flormar. So without wasting much of your time, let's get the video rolling. I'll start off with my eyebrow, and I'm using eyebrow pencil from Flormar in the shade 405. So now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and Espresso. As always, Fawn and Espresso. I'm mixing both shades together. For the upper part, I'm using the shade Espresso for my upper part of the brow. Using that same concealer to conceal my eyelid. I'm not setting my concealer today. I'm going on with this blush as my transitional shade for today. I'm going to use this shade right here to blend the other shade together to make it look smoother. My inner corner to be as bright, so I'm using this white shade for my inner corner. Now I'm using this shade on top. Make sure to blend. So I'm going in with a different brush to further blend to prevent any harsh lines. Now I'm using a new brush to further blend all the shade to prevent any harsh lines. Using my concealer brush. Now I'm using my eyeliner, Maybelline Master Ink. I went ahead and wear my lashes off. So for the benefit of this video, I'm not using my regular foundation, and this is my first time of trying out this. So for the benefit of this video, I'll be using LA Girl Pro Concealer, the orange concealer, to color correct my dark spot. I'm just using a small amount of product. I don't usually do this, but I don't know if the foundation will go well or not. Okay, now to the foundation. It says Flormar Fusion Power Foundation Serum, and it comes in this. Okay. Oh, it's kind of black. Okay, I'm using my foundation brush. I look like a ghost. Okay, let me go ahead and do my highlighting and do the contouring and see. I don't even know what to do now. I look like a ghost. Okay, let me go back into my all-time favorite LA Girl Pro LA Colors Pro Matte Foundation and add a little bit to this and see if it can do magic, because this is a no for me. No. Wow. This foundation will always be my favorite. But the Flormar, the coverage was okay, but the shade was not my shade. Since Flormar foundation failed me, I'm using their powder. The foundation failed me. I'm not baking today, so down to contouring. For my contouring, I'm using this dark shade from the Banus palette. For my blush today, I'm going in with this orange blush from LA Colors. No, it's LA Pride. Packing it on top of my contour. Yes. To set my entire face, I'm using this color from the Banus. Back then, this was my favorite highlighter. I've forgotten the product name, but let's try and see if it can conquer the Beauty Creation Glow palette. It can still slay. See that glow? It was my favorite highlighter in 2018. For my lips, I'm going in with Classic Makeup USA in the shade Melbrook and Oriental Pink. I'll go in with Oriental Pink. The lipstick is matte and I don't want it matte, so I don't want it matte. I'm going in with L'Oreal. Is it L'Oreal? Color Rich Lip Gloss in the shade Pink Amathias or what? Yes, I hope I got it right. Okay guys, this is my final look. Thank you so much for watching. Yes, thank you so much for watching. You have been faithful to me since day one, and I'm very, very grateful for that. This is my contact lens. It's from Huda Beauty. Yes. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe down below. Click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a video. Bye.